Yorkeys Knob, that's where I'm at. It's very windy here, so I think the sound quality is gonna suck. But at least you can still hear a bit, hopefully. And I've got the COVID or the flu or something. And we're gonna go walk back. We're gonna see a ship any minute now, out in front on the left. And these people are windsurfing. And I noticed that they've got 4.5 meter to 5 meter wings. It's something I want to do. That guy's kite surfing, but I want to do some windsurfing. It's a lot less gear and it's a little bit easier. You don't have the kite in the air. It looks great. I want to do some of that. Maybe when I get back to Sydney, I'll be winging. And I noticed they all have duo turn around. Oh. So yeah, myself a little 5 meter wing and do this later. One reason I got the 360 camera is so I can film this. That could be good. Oh. And I noticed they're not wearing, they're wearing a wetsuit top. This guy's in, I think they're in shorts. So yeah, the water's kind of warm here. Have a look at the sand. It's kind of the fine sand that we have in Australia. Yeah, so we're going to walk and see the boat. It's just there. Those rocks, I think, were near where it was. We just walk back along the coast.
Yeah.
I think we have to go in a bit, though.
Yeah.
But that's the way. There's our princess. See? There's our princess. That's a big wing, 6 meters. The wind is coming from that there. Hey Mum, did you see these? That's called kite surfing.
Oh.
It's similar but the... That's called a wing. That's a kite.
Oh.
Like an airplane wing. Looks like my feet are getting wet. Alright, and you know this channel is very boring, right? So don't complain. Well, if you're gonna complain, you know where to do it. Down below. Don't subscribe.